Welcome to another episode of Ghost FPV. Today I got a little shipment in the mail from BangGood. Got this guy here. It's a helical antenna. It's going to be used for my long range. So I'm going to do a little bit of a test here, see how it works out with my iFlight. And we're at my usual spot. So we check it out here right now. So I got this helical antenna here from BangGood. Cost me about $17. Just got it in the mail there. Now apparently this antenna has a spacing in between these little helixes here. And this spacing is what gets you the 16 dB power and penetration you need for your range there. Now what I'm going to do is hook this up here to my Sky Zone V1s. I'm going to take off I'm going to keep the crosshair on there because that's also good for long range. I want to be able to face where I'm flying, so if I'm doing that, this will help as well. I'm going to choose to take off this antenna here, mushroom antenna. I'm going to take that bad boy off. Let's go ahead. Put you there. And I'm going to come here and try to apply this guy right here, all with one hand. Just applying that there. So I'm going to try to face that towards that way, because as I'm going into the sky I want that to be there. So when you're looking at the guy, basically he's going to be facing out that way. Let me bend him down a little bit. There we go. More like that's what I want it to look like, so when I'm facing. Now that I've got the antenna in, I'm going to put this guy away, the mad mushroom. Put the box away here. And I'm going to choose this spot right here, my usual spot. I don't have much choices right now. It's close to home. I get to operate and move quickly here. But I plan to see if I can go to the building. I want to see if I can go to that building right there, right at the top, and bring it back with this new helix antenna and see what the reception's like. So let's check it out. What I'm using right now is looks like my everyday daily flyer here, my iFlight Chimera long range. I've tuned it with EMU flight here, and the battery I got on here is this guy. It is a GEP-RC 3000 long range battery, lithium ion. I just put the new GPS on there. The other one was faulty, so I stacked it up. I ran the GPS wire on the outside. That seems to be the new thing the Ghost is doing right now to get the reception there. I don't have any copper wiring, so I'm just going to do that, keeping it away. It seems to be working so far. And I swapped out my camera for a lighter one at the front here. It's a Fox here. We're going to go test this guy out. We're going to see if we can do this here today on the next Ghost.